You guys are watching Doing Math. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way that I remembered all the radian measures around the unit circle. So it all bases off this first quadrant. When you have 0 degrees, well, you start at 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, and 90. So if we remember those, 0, I just thought of 0. When I see this 3, I just trained myself to think 6. And then when I see this 4, I thought of just 4. So that when I see this 6, I train myself to think 3. Kind of a hard little, thing to remember, but if you think about it, 3, 6, 6, 3. And it just stuck. Going across the unit circle, these both are, the denominators of both of these are 3. Denominators of both of these are 4. Denominators of both of these are 6. So let's fill that in. 3, 4, 6. I call this quadrant right here my one less quadrant. So, in other words, I write a little -1. That means that all the tops are 1 less than the bottom. So if I have a 3 on the bottom, it means I have a 2 pi on top. If I have a 4 on the bottom, I have a 3 pi on top. If I have a 6 on the bottom, I have a 5 pi on top. So I call this quadrant my one less quadrant. We can do that same thing. 6, 4, 3, the denominators. So 6, 4, 3. This is my one less quadrant. This is my one plus quadrant. So all the tops are 1 more than the bottom. So if you have a 6, it's 7 pi on top. 4 is 5 pi on top. 3 is 4 pi on top. This quadrant's a little tricky, this fourth one. I call this my double -1. We'll talk about that in a sec. Again, I can do my denominators. 3, 4, 6. So 3, 4, 6. Now take the denominator, double it, and -1. So double 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 pi over 3. Double 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 pi over 4. Double 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11 pi over 6. And then with this pi over 2, I forgot to mention, I just remembered that this is half of a pi. 2 halves of a pi is just a pi. 3 halves of a pi is 3 halves. And then 4 halves of a pi is 2 pi. So that's one way of doing it. One other last trick I'm going to show you, and this is the one that people really like. Picture a little 1 in front of this pi. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. Works here too. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. So even though it seems like there's a lot to remember, hopefully that will help you out a little bit. Plus, I actually saved this as the background on my phone, and it seemed to work really well the whole entire semester I was doing the trig part. So, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see any more videos, just post a comment below, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.